Hello students, welcome to Smart Education. It's me Padmadeep here. Today we will create a C program in looping. This is the question you can see here. This is the question. I have zoomed. You can see the question D number. D number you can see. Write a C program to display the following pattern. Here we have to display this pattern. Actually display the following pattern. This is the pattern we have to display in C program. So here what we have to do, actually we have to do looping here. So we will use for loop here. We will use for loop, and here you see in this pattern first we have to display 5, then 5 4, then 5 4 3, then 5 4 3 2, then 5 4 3 2 1. And how many times we have to do the looping? 5 times. Here you see this is not nested loop, this is simple loop. So here how many times this line you can see 1 2 3 4 5 times. That means 5 times we have to do for, because this is simple loop, this is not nested loop. So here we will use 5 times for loop, and we will just display this pattern. So in this C program, when you do, but one thing you remember, in this first, when you do this first time, so here from 5 it will start and it will finish in 5 only. Here you see started in 5, finish in 4. The same way here you see 5 4 3, here see 5 4 3 2, and here you see 5 4 3 2 1. So here this way the loop will be going, and here you see every time this is the 5, and the next time 5 4, that means 1 minus. Here you see 5 1 minus 4, then 1 minus 3, like that 1 minus every time. You see here in the last one also 5 minus 1 4, then minus 3, minus 1 3, then minus 1 2, then minus 1 1. So every time 1 1 decrement, that means minus 1 every time. So our loop will be started from 5 only, and the ending will be according to the pattern only. So let's do the program in C. And here you see I have a software here. I kept the software. This is the software actually I'm using here. You can use any other software like CodeBlocks, Turbo C, or whatever software you want to use, you can use that. See here or Day++ also you can use Turbo C, Day++, or the comfortable software which you like, you can use that. So here I'm going to write a program. You see has include std io.h, then you used main function you start, then come down and use curly brace, then declare a variable. Here I'm going to declare integer variable. I'm going to declare I variable, semicolon. Then here you see first we have to display which number? 5. Here you see we have to display 5. So here I'm writing the output. Actually we will see the output after running the program, but I'm just writing here because we will understand the way we will display. Okay, so here I'm going to write here just on the top. You see, you will see, just this is for just your help only, I'm just writing, but this is not a output right now. Actually after finishing the program we have to run, then we will get the output. Here I will write, see, in output first we have to display 5. Okay, this 5 we will display first. So how we will display? Then for we have to use which loop? We have to use for loop. Then bracket start, then I equal 5, from 5 it will start, then semicolon, then condition will be up to 5 only, because that first time you see 5 and the ending will be 5 only. So here you write I greater than or equal to 5 only, just give a semicolon, then I minus minus. So come down and curly brace, and output just you write printf. Here we need a double quotation, you write %d, then come this side and comma, and then I variable will be printed. So I variable value will be 5 only here, because here you see this is the 5, I equal 5, I greater than or equal to 5. It's true because I means 5 and 5 equal to 5 is matching here, so it will be true. Then 5 will be printed on the output screen. and when it will go for update, then I minus minus means I equal I minus 1, that means 5 minus 1, it will be 4. And here you see 4 greater than or equal to 5, it's not true. So when it is not true, it will not be repeating again, it will print only one time, and at that time it was I was how much, 5, and 5 was printed. And when it became 4, it is not going to execute the loop body because the condition will not match. Now we will come down and just we will write here printf. Within a double quotation we will write /n, or you can say \n, and this will give actually what it will come. This is the output I have shown here, means the output will be coming like this actually after running. This is just for help I wrote here. Here you see that here after printing this 5 we have to come down. We have to come down. In the next line we have to display 5 4. To come to the next line, new line, I have used here printf /n. This will come to the new line. Then after coming to the new line, now you start again for bracket start and write here I variable. That you see I variable you have to write, and then same thing like earlier one, it will be started from 5. Here it will go up to 4. That's why greater than or equal to 4. Here you write, then semicolon, then I minus minus, and come down, just display to I variable printf. Within the double quotation you write %d, then comma here, then use the I variable here and semicolon, and come down and curly brace. This will display 5 4. After writing these statements here, after writing this program, when you run the program, means after running the program, here on the output screen will display 5 4. Okay, that means our 5 4 by this statement, this 4 will be displayed. Then we have to come to the new line again, because here we have to display 5 4 3. Now you see printf, sorry, not printf, sorry, it's a for printf, because we have to come to the new line. Printf, it's correct only. Printf, within a double quotation you write /n, or you can say \n, then semicolon. Now we will come to the new line. After coming to the new line, now you have to use again for loop. Here you use I variable, I will be 5, semicolon, I greater than or equal to 3. This time it will go up to 3, then I minus minus, then come down, curly brace. Again now you have to print to which variable? The same variable we have already printed earlier, because here it will be displayed, but here it will be displayed 5 4 3, because you can see the condition here, I greater than or equal to 3. Same way on the top, if you see I greater than or equal to 4, here you see on the top 5, this one actually this one, and up to 4 means this one. Here you write 3, it will be displayed 5 4 3. So here we will display the same variable I only. Then you see our, after this statement, our 5 4 3, up to here our program is ready only. Now we have to come down and we will just write here new line statement. Just we will give here escape sequence /n and semicolon, come down and use again for loop. We will write here for I equal 5, semicolon, I greater than or equal to 2, semicolon, I minus minus, come down, curly brace. Then you write here printf, within the bracket just display to I variable only, %d, then comma, then I variable, come down, curly brace. Now you have to see, after writing these statements, our 5 4 3 2, up to here our program, this program we have completed. Now we have to give the line break, means the new line. So here you write /n again to come to the new line. Next semicolon outside, it should be outside. Now next we have to write here I variable, the last one, this is the last one, and I greater than or equal to, it should be 1, then semicolon, then I minus minus, come down, then curly brace. Now come down and write here printf statement and display I variable. First you write %d, then come this side, then comma, then I variable, then semicolon, come down, just keep curly brace, and this is the last one actually. Here you see I'm going to just show you this for actually will display this part, and then this for will display this part, and this for will display this part, and this for will display this one, and this for will display actually here 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is the structure actually. However, this is the structure, output structure will display. Here you see 1 minute, just this statement, last one, this last one will display this one 5 4 3 2 1. So this whole output screen, this pattern will display on the output screen. So we have already completed this part. Actually we have already completed this part we have already completed. So we will do just one thing here. We will run the program, and I have just erased this by mistake, so I will write. So this is our output screen actually need to display. This is the actually pattern we required here on the output screen, and we have to check it that our program is correct or not. But before that I have to write one thing. Here, this new line statement. See, after the ending, up to here when it will end this ending time. So here new line will be coming or not, it doesn't matter. If you want to give, you can give, but it's not compulsory. But I want to give here. I will write the new line statement here, escape sequence. Everywhere I wrote, and here also I will write only, but it's not mandatory. If you don't want to write in the last part, it's not mandatory actually. If you don't want to write, it's fine, no problem. Semicolon, but I have written, but you can leave also that last slash n, this one printf slash n. But if you want to write, you can write that. It will not make you any problem, make your program any problem. It will be fine. Then return 0, here semicolon, come down, and then write curly brace. See, this is our program we have already completed, and we will see once the question, our question we will see the question here. Just you see here question, this is our question actually we need to display. Here you see, I'm going to zoom. This is the pattern actually we have to display on the screen. This is the pattern we have to display on the output screen. So let's run the program. We will go back to the program again. Here we will go back to the program again. We have come back to the program again. So after coming back to this program, we need to find a run button. Here you can see on the output screen, in the source code screen, this is our coding screen. Here this is the run button. I'm going to run. Just click on the run button. Here I have done some wrong here. You can see here I have done something wrong. Here I have not given semicolon somewhere. See where I have not given semicolon after printf. Here, this is the one, this part I have not given the semicolon. So I have given the semicolon. Now we will run the program, and you can see this is the output here displayed as it is. It was given on the question paper. Exactly we have displayed 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 1. So this way you can also make program. Here this is the answer, and this is the output screen. You can see you can also make the program. And please like, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.